This is a short overview of Icon GPSVision feature extraction software. The feature extraction software allows users to locate different objects and images, such as right-of-way features, signs, curbs, etc., that were collected and processed using the GPSV software suite. As you noticed, I launched it here, and three windows opened up. We have the image window, the map window, and the attributes window. I'll talk more about them once I load the project and the road. On the image window, there is a toolbar, and we have a save button, a forward and back so that we can move between the street or between the images. We can also use the up and down button on the keyboard. Then we have a show map window and show attributes, so we can get rid of those if we wanted to, or not have them be shown. Then we have a measuring button, which is to measure features that are added in or features that are in the image. We have a zoom, so we can zoom in on objects to get closer to it. We have an epipolar, which, if clicked, shows you the same point where a point should be on the other image. So as you see, it's clicked here. It should be right about here. And also the CD, LR, and AB cameras from the van. Next is the map view. The map window will display the road and list the features that can be extracted. As you see here, we have signs, road geometry, other signs, mediums, lanes. We can extract all these things, and these will differ per a project. Also, you can see yourself where you're located on the street by just zooming in with one of these. That's a zoom. Let's zoom out, and you can see yourself going along with the images. You can also press this to zoom out and see the whole road. If you're zoomed in and you want to just see it in full really fast. And then also you can click these eyes if you don't wish to see these on the map. And the attribute table here shows all the attributes of whatever feature is selected in the window, or the map window. As you notice here, an image is selected. So it's giving me the XY, the height, the pitch, the roll, and GPS time, what image is corresponding to that point also. Next, we'll drive down the road and try to find a sign that we can add into here for attribute. So as I see a stop sign here, and that I won't get a good look at it if I kept in the L and R, so I'm going to go to AB, and that looks right there is the best view I can get of it. Next, we're going to press sign and go ahead and get a good look of it by zooming in. And let's add an attribute. We have to click it in the first image and the second image shown. And now in the attribute table, we got the sign code we can find. This one's going to be R1-1, which is a stop sign. Now we need the height, so I'm going to click Measure, zoom in, click there, click there. And we're going to update with calculated value. And the height is 83 inches. We can also add a comment to go along with the image. Let's go search for another sign. As we see, we have another sign here, and the best view I'm going to get of it is the LB, or the AB, right here. And we don't really know what sign this is. If we go ahead and zoom in, it's going to be another sign. We can zoom in and see what we might have. Looks like it's going to be an unknown sign. So we'll go ahead and just add it in. Sign text, unknown. And then let's get the height. Which is going to be 79. And let's see if we can find one more. Well, let's just get the street sign right here. There's another sign. Go ahead and add that in there. And the sign text will be the street name. Now for the height, we'll go ahead and measure it. And then update the calculation, and that's going to be 76.